Struggling with unstable work setups that wobble under your DIY projects? Imagine a pair of Sawhorses so sturdy they turn any surface into a solid workbench in seconds. Today we're counting down the 5 best Sawhorses that deliver rock-solid support, effortless setup, and unmatched versatility. Let's build. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpick.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have one folding steel sawhorse with 2x4 support, the best versatile sawhorse. Tackle your next project with the one folding steel sawhorse with 2x4 support. This versatile tool excels for DIY enthusiasts or professionals alike. One standout feature is its adjustable height, ranging from 24 to 32 inches. You can easily customize it to fit your needs, making it an excellent choice for various tasks. Deep 2X grooves line each end of the sawhorse, securely holding full 2x4s in place. Unlike competitors like the Bora Speedhorse, there's no need for extra boards, saving you time and hassle. Utilizing this design means you maximize efficiency while working on your projects. The non-slip crossbar surface provides excellent traction for different materials. Whether you're cutting or sanding, you can rely on it to keep everything steady. This added stability boosts your confidence, allowing you to focus on getting the job done without fear of slippage. If there's a minor downside, it's the spring-loaded pins, which require a bit of force to access the folded legs. While this could improve with use, it does require some initial effort. Still, once you get the hang of it, adjustments become natural and intuitive. The when folding steel sawhorse offers fantastic versatility and smart design, making it a must-have tool for any workshop. Craving custom heights and built-in 2x4 support? Wait until you see what's next. At number 4, we have Metabo HPT folding sawhorses, the best portable sawhorse. Ready to elevate your work experience? Metabo HPT's folding sawhorses are a top choice for anyone needing reliable support on the job. These sawhorses stand out with an impressive load-bearing capacity of 1,200 pounds, ensuring you can tackle heavy projects without a worry. Their fold-flat design allows for easy transportation and storage, a must-have feature for those who work on the go. The integral top rail features slots for 2x4s, making it straightforward to create custom setups. For added convenience, the 2 pairs of sawbucks slide right into the rail, enhancing versatility for various tasks, especially cross-cutting dimensioned lumber. You'll appreciate how these adaptations let you efficiently manage different materials. A thoughtful touch is the molded cable, tightly built into the legs. This keeps cords organized and out of your way while you work. Full-width hinges also serve as small tables, which can provide extra workspace when you need it. These features contribute to a seamless working environment without a lot of fuss. One minor consideration is the narrow leg spread. Increasing stability would undoubtedly enhance its performance. However, this compact design still makes it a fantastic option for tighter spaces. This product balances efficiency with practicality, showcasing intelligent design throughout. Enthusiastic DIYers and professionals alike will find this sawhorse hard to beat. Looking for portable power that still holds up to heavy loads? Keep watching for the ultimate support solution. Still searching for the perfect sawhorse? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Bora Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse pair, the best set sawhorse. Fast, reliable, and versatile, Bora's Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse pair stands out as a top choice for both seasoned pros and DIY novices. Setup is a breeze thanks to a cleverly designed lever, allowing you to deploy the legs with a satisfying flick. Once in place, a simple tap of your foot secures them, creating stability in seconds. This pair supports up to 1,800 pounds, far exceeding typical project requirements. For those who tackle heavy-duty tasks, this strength reassures you that your materials will stay put. You'll appreciate how easily these sawhorses can be transformed into a working surface. Just slide in some 2X lumber and secure it, and you have an instant platform for any cutting job. What makes this model particularly appealing is its potential as a miter saw table. Once set up, these support structures provide unwavering stability, essential when precision counts. However, weighing in at 17.19 pounds does make them slightly heavier than similar models, which may be a consideration for users who prioritize portability. What I love most is the seamless blend of practicality and ease of use. Each feature feels intentional, designed to enhance your workflow rather than complicate it. While the weight could be viewed as a drawback, it ultimately contributes to the Sawhorse's superior stability. Need to turn lumber into an instant work surface in seconds? You won't believe how quickly our next pair transforms. At number 2, we have Worx Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse, the best workstation Sawhorse. Meet the Worx Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse, your ultimate workspace solution. This versatile tool blends Sawhorse stability and worktable convenience effortlessly. You'll be amazed at how strong this setup is, supporting up to 1,000 pounds on the Sawhorses and 300 pounds on the tabletop. The smart design allows quick transitions between a robust Sawhorse and an efficient workbench. Whether you're tackling woodworking projects or DIY repairs, switching modes in seconds saves you valuable time. A bonus feature includes 4 clamp dogs and 2 quick clamps, providing excellent versatility for various tasks. You can easily secure materials, enhancing accuracy during cutting or assembly. Storage and portability shine as standout features. Constructed from heavy-duty plastic with a lightweight aluminum frame, this workstation folds down compactly. Toss it in your car or stow it in your garage without hassle. It even has a small shelf for easy access to tools, keeping everything organized. However, during setup, the squeeze clamps can pop off at times. A small adjustment could improve their grip, but this doesn't overshadow the product's overall utility. After extensive use, I can confidently say the Worx Pegasus stands out among similar models. Want seamless switching between Sawhorse and full workbench? The very next pick will blow your mind. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have ToughBuilt Heavy Duty Folding Sawhorse, the best Sawhorse overall. ToughBuilt Heavy Duty Folding Sawhorse stands out as the best choice overall. Built for stability, portability, and durability, these Sawhorses excel in everyday projects. You'll appreciate the folding legs that tuck neatly away. Storing them becomes a breeze, making these Sawhorses ideal for on-the-go tasks. Carrying them is easy thanks to the handy straps on top. This feature allows you to grab and go without hassle, perfect for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. Setting up takes mere seconds. Once unfolded, they remain impressively sturdy, giving you confidence during heavy-duty jobs. You might notice a lack of grooves for 2X lumber, but this design choice focuses on flexibility. An added benefit includes the non-slip surface on the crossbar. This feature keeps materials securely in place while you cut or sand, enhancing your efficiency. The working height of 28.54 inches may seem lower than competitors, yet it actually provides better leverage when using power tools. This aspect makes tasks feel smoother and more controlled. While some might prefer taller Sawhorses, the lower height offers remarkable stability for heavy projects. ToughBuilt's Sawhorses impress with their thoughtful design and practical features. You'll find them perfect for various applications, from construction sites to home projects. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best Sawhorses. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which Sawhorse you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.